Hey guys, and welcome to the Cheeky Indian. Indian is street food slinger since 2013. So today guys, we are going to be making masala chips. That's right, chips. We're going to transform the everyday chip into one of these saucy, delicious bad boys. You'll absolutely love these. You may never go back to a normal chip ever again. Don't forget, you can catch us on social media at The Cheeky Indian, and hit like and subscribe if you like what you see here today. Leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts on what you'd like to see us make. Oh, and before we start, stick around to the end. We're going to show you how to make this masala chip wrap. Right, let's get cracking. Okay guys, you're going to need a hot frying pan. Drop about 2 tablespoons of oil into there, really heat up the pan. And then I've got about a quarter of an onion here. We're going to cook until they're translucent. This looks just about right. Okay, now it's time to add the garlic. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Again, we want to cook this out, but try not to let it burn. And I'm going to drop in half a teaspoon of salt, about a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about another half teaspoon of chili powder. So this is the base of the masala. Cook this out, let all the spices infuse with the oil, and when you're ready you want to grab some kasturi methi. Now kasturi methi is dried fenugreek leaf. This can be a little bit twiggy, so what you want to do is just tip it into the palm of your hand and sort of rub your hands together. Try and break up the leaves, get them nice and crushed. Something like this, perfect. Once you've got them all in the pan, just cook them out a bit. Add a little bit more oil if you need to add some liquid in. This looks great. Okay, so we're ready for the passata now. I've got 1 cup of passata. Get this in the pan, cook it out for a bit. And then we're going to put in our secret ingredient. Can you guess what it is? That's it, tomato ketchup. We're going to put in half a cup of tomato ketchup. I mean, you can't have chips without ketchup, can you? So passata and ketchup are quite strong tomatoey flavours, so we're going to cook this out for about 2 or 3 minutes and let it thicken up a little bit as well. And then we're going to put in 2 chopped green chilies, depending on how spicy you like it. And then about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander next. Remember to put this in at this stage because we don't want to overcook. We like a little bit of freshness in the sauce. And then we're going to add in some Julienned red chili. That Julienned is literally just matchsticks. Let's squeeze a lemon and the masala part of our recipe is ready. Let's just take a second to enjoy this sauciness. And moving swiftly on. Right, so masala's done, time to talk chips. Now it's absolutely fine to use ready-made oven chips, but give these a go. Twice cooked, hand-cut, homemade chips. Can't go wrong. Just check out how fluffy they are. Amazing. Keep an eye out for the link for these chips, you'll love them. Right, drop the cooked chips into the masala and give them a good coating. Be gentle, be sure not to break them, and you'll end up with this. Spicy, hot, sticky, and still fluffy. Just check this out, absolutely delicious. And there we have it guys, masala chips. We've taken your everyday bog standard French fry chip and turned it into this delicious saucy Indian snack. Give them a try and let us know in the comments below how you get on. Are you willing to swap your everyday chip for one of these masala bad boys? As promised, we're going to show you how to turn these masala chips into a saucy wrap. Check out this quick tutorial. Told you it was quick. So whether you decide to eat them as they are or have them in a wrap, we really hope you enjoy making these. Leave us a comment below and let us know how you got on. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.